Yo, you don't know it's your boy Charles Douglas from TD Jones Reviews here with another one again. Tonight I'm going to be reviewing the Boom Bass wireless Bluetooth speaker available at Celtec Curaçao. Alright, yeah, you don't know, so we're gonna get straight into it, okay? So first thing I'm gonna need something to open this with. Alright, everyone, the trusty scissors. We're gonna open this now, so we could see exactly how it look on the inside. Actually, before opening it, I could speak a little bit about some of the features. A Bluetooth wireless speaker from Boom Bass, actually. So you could connect it to multiple devices, basically a cell phone, anything that works with Bluetooth, your iPad, your computer. It looks like it has a playtime of 2 to 5 hours. Charging takes about 3 to 4 hours. It has a battery capacity of 1200 milliamp hours. The transmission distance between the Bluetooth device and the speaker is 10 meters, and the output is 5 watts. Alright, so this speaker is, should give you some nice quality sounds. But speaking of quality sounds, just like my sponsor, if you want any quality products, just go to Celtec Curaçao. You could go there, get the latest cell phones, the latest accessories for your cell phones. You also could get your cell phone repaired. You could get your computer repaired as well, diagnosed and checked. Bluetooth accessories, external battery chargers, or PlayStations. You want to get your consoles, your home gaming system. Just go to Celtec. They will definitely take care of you there. So now it's time to open the Boom Bass speaker. All right, let's do this. With the trusty pink scissors. All right. One that. Unbox. All right. So as you can see, already in the box we have a USB charging cable. This looks like a USB mini. Okay then. Time to unveil the speaker. Woo. Okay, nice. Has a good feel to it. Nice quality. It's more like a plastic, kind of like a rubber feeling to it. Like when you get a product that is waterproof, it has a feel basically similar. I see you have the antenna here, so I guess that means it provides AM and FM, the option to choose to listen to radio as well, which is also good. As you can see in the back here, it has, oh shit. This is a look of the speaker. As you can see in the back of the speaker, we have the auxiliary port, the SD card port, also USB stick port available, and the charging port. So yeah, it also provides a manual in the box, but we don't read manuals. Yeah, so we have the button functions of the speaker. To the top of the speaker, the top right. So you have the power button, the mute button, volume up, volume down, and you have the play, pause, and Bluetooth connect button in the center. That is how the speaker operates. Basically, you connect it to your phone, or you can connect it to just any smart device. Any smart device such as your gaming device, your laptop, your smartphone, tablet, or desktop PC, anything that connects wirelessly to Bluetooth. Okay, so there you go. That was some of the basic qualities and some of the specifications of the speaker. So now we're gonna test it. We're gonna hear how it sounds. I like the size. The size is good. It's light. It's not too heavy, so it's cool. It's just now to hear how it sounds, right? To turn on the speaker, first you have to use the power button. It will give you an audible sound. Alright, and so now the speaker is on. That means that I need a device to connect it to. So can I have a device, please, to connect? Alright. Okay, so As you can see, tonight is all bright colors. And this is wifey's phone, so the S20 also available at Celtec Curaçao. So now I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. So first you turn on the Bluetooth on your device, and then it will scan and search for the speaker. The name that will show up, you will see is Boom Bass L10. You pair with that, and when the connection is successful, you will hear an audible. And then, yeah, so now to hear how it booms, what kind of music would you guys like to hear? I'm going to play some of my own music. So, you know, we're going to get this going. The struggles of not using your own phone. You end up having, you know, but I found something to play. So now we're going to hear how the boom bass works. Where is it? The boom bass. Alright, so. You know this thing, just hitting a club tune, no? Right, type like this, no? You know the girls never get tired when we do a club tune. I see. So wait, tell them shit. Yes, sir. You know this thing, yes, sir. We gonna rock this thing like this. You see the girls out in the clubs tonight. When you say we not in love, we need the vibes of life. So they will show you girls, they will know that we so nice. Okay, so this is me talking over it. We need the vibes to glory down to the night. I've got some style, I give you headache. Rolling the place and making shut the grave. Pushing the pounds, feeling the weights. I got a lot of love, yo, I get a lot of hate, but why? Cause I give you headache. Party till sundown. Girls get a meltdown. Chilling at the bar with Patron in a go round. All of a sudden, man, everything feels slow down. Ever fresh, ever clean. You know what I mean? It's all night thing. You're made so big. If you wanna be snappers, you wanna be the G. You wanna be Pusha, you wanna be me. So I put my hands where your eyes can see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah?
You should have seen it all.
Okay. So that was some of the dancehall vibes. Sounding nice. I love the good sound in it. So now let me play some deep bass music to hear how the bass could come through of it. No, that's copyright. Playlist. We need to find some deep bass. Actually, dance music, dance and electronic. You want to hear some of the pop in it. Okay? So this is volume all the way up. I'm gonna turn the volume all the way up on the device. Oh, okay. When you connected wirelessly to the device and you are using the speaker, the volume up and the volume down button switches the sound. So I'm gonna play it. And then I'm gonna do the volume up. Volume up. So that switches the sound. Okay? Okay, so the volume functions basically is the ones to move the previous and next track. Alright, so basically we had a preview of how the speaker sounds. So to me it sounds pretty good. You could use it in a lot of different scenarios. You know, basically you could go to the beach and you could hear it from a distance. If you have it in a closed up room, it is even better. So if you do exercising in the morning and you do all those kind of stuff, you know, this is a good sounding speaker. It's good value for the price. So make sure you go and pick up one for yourself. Go to Celtec and if you so yes, if you have a big haul or you go to the beach, you go with your friends, it seems the quality is very good. I'm not sure if it's waterproof, but look like it could take some beating and it looked like it could take some weather because it's sealed up pretty nice, you know, so pretty nicely. So yeah. And some of the things that I don't like about this speaker basically is I think only one function, that the volume up and volume down function should be turning up the volume on the main device rather than if I have to use this device controls the total volume of the speaker. So whichever device you use, 0 to 100, sorry, 1 to 100, that's the volume setting right there. So the volume button on the device, it switches the song previous and next track. So yeah, there you go. That's the one that's real con I have about this speaker. But besides that, it's not a real issue to bother about. I definitely like the sound of it, and yeah, check it out. Yeah, so that was my review of the Boom Bass wireless Bluetooth speaker. You know where to find it. Just contact Celtic Curaçao about it. You see, the lady already took the device right there. It's like she can't even wait till the review finished to be on the device. But anyway, all my Samsung lovers out there, yeah, get the S20. So yeah, you're done now. That was my review. I hope you enjoy it. And go to Celtic Curaçao. You know, you're gonna find some of the best electronics there, as I said before, like these wireless Bluetooth speakers. So yeah, go get yours. So go and get your speaker. You know where to find this, alright? Don't forget, Goisco location, Celtic Curaçao. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share, comment if you have any comments about the speaker, if you want to know more. You know what I mean? So whether you like or dislike, just let YouTube know something going on my channel, the algorithm. I appreciate it all. Okay, I appreciate you, the fans, I appreciate everything. So, and I also appreciate my sponsor, Celtic Curaçao. Don't forget, the best devices. Oh yeah, another thing to note is that the wireless is not the Wi-Fi wireless connection. It is a Bluetooth connection. So when you use the auxiliary cable to the device of choice, then that will be then a wired connection. But when you do not use a cable and you connect via the Bluetooth, that will be your wireless connection, the Bluetooth connection. So, you know, just a heads up, a note to, or you know, maybe you might try and go and find it. Some people might try and go and find it in the Wi-Fi section, and it is not showing up. It will show up in the Bluetooth only. You're done now.
So what you tell them? Yes, sir. You know this. Yes, sir. We're gonna rock this thing like this.